How to make $2,000 a day with Facebook ads using only image ads, not video ads, and don't copy it. Don't copy the ads from other people. I'm going to show you exact process how I create image ads that convert. So let's go. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how we are going to create image ads for ClickBank affiliate products, because a lot of people I know, like, they're just rip off the content or just copy the content from other people and thinks they are going to make money, and they are not, because you need to create your own creatives, image ad, video ads. If you're just using other people's ads, you're not going to make money. You only lose money. You have to learn how to create ads for yourself, and this is by far one of the most important thing. If someone is old marketer, they know like ads is extremely important. Okay, so I'm going to tell you what is the science, simple science behind of, you call it, the image ads. Okay, so number one thing is we need attention. Second is going to be curiosity. Third is going to be awareness level. What is the awareness level of our customer? Based on that, we are going to add copy. And third is the angle, with which angle we are going to tell the content, or you call it the copy. And the last is going to be the format. Format means like you can use like meme type images, or you can use like split images, simple images. This is called format. Okay, so these are the 4 or 5 basics things behind creating the image ad for ClickBank offer. I know if you're promoting like any other offer, maybe the things are going to be different, but for ClickBank, you need these things. In ClickBank offers, you need the science behind the image. Now I'm going to explain a few things, and then I'm going to tell you what we are going to do. I'm going to show you everything practically so you guys know how to create image ads. So let's go. I'm going to explain everything. So number one is, you guys can see I'm in Spy Hero right now. So what a lot of people do, first I'm going to tell you like what a lot of people do. A lot of people, for example, in Spy Hero or like Facebook Ads Manager, they just see, okay, so this is the ad. They just literally download the ad, because you can able to download ads like from here, or you guys can download the videos, download the images, and these people just download from here everything and throw on their Facebook ad account and thinks it works, and they just copy the content, copy the ads from other people. And like a lot of people think it works, and they are not going to make money. They are just losing money with this way. It's not going to work. For example, if this ad works for that person, it's not 100% necessary it will also work for you. You can create a similar version of that, your own, but if you use the same thing, Facebook knows some other advertiser use it, and you just copy the content from other person, most likely your CPM also goes high. So I highly recommend, do not copy the content, do not copy the ads like images, ad copy. You can try ad copy a bit, but to be honest, don't use the image or video, because if you use it, you are not going to make money, full stop, period. Now I'm going to explain how I personally create image ads, so you guys can also try it for yourself. Okay, let's go. I'm going to show you my personal process. Let's go. So first, head over to ClickBank Marketplace, or like Digistore, which platform you guys are using, it doesn't matter. So I'm in the marketplace. So first is, you need to select offer that you guys are going to promote. So just for an example, I'm promoting, example purpose is Mitoline. So simply click on the VSL page, click this, and right now we are in the VSL page. Right now you guys can see. So what first thing I'm going to see, because right now I'm going to create the image ads. So first thing is, you have to see the headline. So if there's no headline, then definitely you have to watch the VSL bit, so you can understand what is the one thing in that VSL. So right now you guys can see that's the or you call it the VSL, and that's the headline. The main thing in this headline, if you read it, US scientists, the purple peel exploit vaporize fat cells. So what is the main thing? The main thing is this purple peel will basically lose your weight. That's the main thing. So purple peel, I don't know what is purple peel is, and a lot of people also don't know. So this will build curiosity. Okay, and that is the thing I am looking for. Just copy the word purple peel. Like every good offer have that one thing. Like blood sugar have maybe some, blood sugar offer have maybe some different word, joints problem have different word, but there's a one thing that is the main thing in that VSL. So if you just watch the VSL, they will always talk about that purple peel, and almost no one know what exactly that purple peel is. So it will build curiosity, and that's why these people watch till the end. So that is the main thing that will help people to lose weight, and we are going to copy the word, and I'm going to show you what we are going to do with this word. Okay, so the next step is, you just simply go to Google. And you can also able to go to Google, or you guys can also take a pictures from your home, from your kitchen. That's going to be also really good. Okay, now let's go. I'm going to explain. For example, I'm going to type weird purple juice. The reason is, there is no something like purple peel. There's nothing something like purple peel thing. So I just type weird juice, or weird fruit, you guys can also type this. And you have to looking for like raw and authentic image. I am not looking for, you guys can see these are very polished images. I'm not looking for this. For example, it looks like okay, so it looks raw image. You guys can go with this image, and I'm looking for the image that people literally captures in their home, in their kitchens. I'm looking for really raw image. Someone took an image from their phone, and I'm looking for that kind of images. Click this, and you guys can see it also looks good. So like right now, you guys can see I found that one image, and you guys can see this image literally someone took from their home. So you guys literally save this image as image like this. And you guys can also create this kind of, for example, take images from your home, just create some kind of juice or something like this, and just took an image from your mobile phone, and you can use those images. Okay, so for example, that's the image I got. It's a real authentic image someone took from their phone, and it looks really neat and clean. Like it's not looks like created by AI or something. It looks like a real authentic image. So just save it. So that's going to be the first thing you can get ads. So first, second method I'm going to show you what we are going to do is we are also using AI. Okay, so simplest is just simply go to Gemini, and you guys know like there is a create a banana, not nano banana. You guys can create a lot of images. So you guys just literally prompt it. For example, I created that image, and the name I just tell them like create me a weird purple juice raw image for weight loss, and they created me a AI generated image. So you guys can use both type of images, so you can see which kind of images works and converts the best. To be honest, sometimes AI works really well, sometimes authentic works, sometimes polished images works. So you definitely, this is the thing that you have to test. Okay, so for example, I'm going to also download this image. I've got two images. I only got two images. Next thing is I'm going to add a content and definitely edit this image. So once it's done, next is head over to canva.com. I am in Canva right now. You guys can see just simply I'm going to upload these two images. So right now you guys can see I uploaded that AI image, and you guys can use any kind of format. Right now I'm using very simple format like this. So that's the AI image, and next is I'm going to add something like this. Okay, so I added this purple peel help me, something like this. Okay, so you guys can see I added this purple peel helped me lose from 232 up to 129 in weeks. So I did not edit pounds lbs. The reason is then maybe Facebook will not allow you because it's a big and bold claim, to be honest. But if you're just not using lbs, so Facebook basically AI don't know like what exactly we are talking about. We are just exactly not violating the policy because we didn't edit like we lose pounds or weight. So we just added like lose from like 232 to 129. Okay, and next is you guys can go with like something, change the color to grabs attention, something like red or anything like this. Okay, and next I'm going to duplicate it, and that's the image, that's the raw image. Okay, so that is going to be the raw and authentic image that you guys can get from your home, from your kitchen. You guys can search on Google or things like this to get images like this. Again, you guys can type something different related to like weight loss. So again, this purple peel helped me. You guys can also able to change the color to like purple, so people know like it is purple thing. So it could be like this. Okay, so you have to test, and you guys can add different kind of content, and you guys use create. This is how you guys can create your own images and use it. Okay, so this is one of the simplest format I show you. I also use like multiple formats like split and memes and this kind of formats you guys can use, but this is by far the simplest and the most effective. But all you need is find a good images, so grabs attention, and a good content, so people will know like what exactly is. So this content is definitely build curiosity and also like intent. So it's related to weight loss. Okay, once it's done, just simply click this and download in your PC. Okay, so you guys understand like how I show you like how to create image ads for ClickBank product. It's very simple, basic process I show you. We need attention, so people just stop the scroll. Second, we need to build curiosity in people, so people click on ad. Third is we need to write that kind of content based on our customer level. So there's 5 different customer awareness level. Third is I think fourth is like angle. Angle means like you're telling the story or you're messaging with which angle. Angle means like with which type of story you're telling your like messaging. It's totally, it's simple as that. Like angle means you're telling your message with different kind of stories. Simple. That is called messaging. And last one is going to be format. You know, like images have like multiple formats. You can go with like split like this, or you guys can go with like memes or 3 images in one image. So there's a lot of formats. So you just search on like image formats and you can find like a lot of, so you can use any kind of format to create. But that's the behind the science of creating a good image. And I also show you practically how you guys can create an image based on which offer you are going to promote. So you have to test which offer you guys are promoting. You guys, like every offer have that one thing, like Mituline has that purple peel, like maybe like if you're promoting any other offer, mail ed, they will also have like something different thing. So you have to select image based on that one thing, okay, all the time, so you get higher attention and more higher. The main thing is curiosity. They will drive click, and based on awareness level, it will build the intent. Okay, also launch a school community. Go and check it out. If you guys have any question, comment and I will answer you.